Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review a power bank I purchased on Amazon. So this is a chunky battery. It's declared as a 27,000 milliamp hour battery, and it is Power Delivery 3.0 or PD 3.0 compliant and Quick Charge 4 compliant, and it charges itself and devices at 22.5 watts allegedly. So packaging, it looks familiar. This is probably because we have unboxed and reviewed many a power bank in exactly the same packaging. This is quite likely due to the fact that it is generic packaging that a lot of OEMs and ODMs use. Now, packaging is very, very limited. There is essentially a cardboard box holding it in. There is a USB-A to USB Type-C power cable in here. It is a short one. And then inside the packaging we have a power bank from a brand called Paidashu. So I've just taken the cover off here. It's a pretty standard design for a power bank. It is heavy, it has heft to it, and it says on the front that it is a 27,000 milliamp hour power bank that is a fast charger. So I'm going to tap the power button on the left here and see that as it comes out of the box, the internal reader is at 81%. Having a nice little LCD screen here with the readout of the charge is very useful, rather than having to figure out how 4 LEDs work. Right, at the top we have where all the main action is happening. This is where you have 2 USB-A ports, a micro USB, I'm assuming that's for input into the power bank, and a USB Type-C, which should be for in and out. There is no printout on the textured back to say what these ports are and what they're doing. There is a lanyard loop on one corner of the device next to the power button, and then the rest of the sides is fairly basic. We get the details about charging here. USB Type-C outputs at 18 volts, 9 volts, 3 amps. Oh, that should be 27, but it actually says that output Type-C 5 volts, 3 amps, which is 15 watts, 9 volts, 2.2 amps, and 12 volts at 1.66. So that's 18 watts out of your Type-C. USB 1 and 2 is where you'll get it. So this will principally need to be used with a Type-A, which is the big one, to Type-C, if you want to get the maximum 22.5 watts out of it. Right, I'm going to take this away, use it for an extended period of time, and then get back to you with my long-term review. Speak to you soon. Okay then, I'm back, and 10 months after I purchased this power bank on Amazon UK, I'm still using it. I thought I'd do a quick review of this device before wrapping up the video, just to let you know that I really liked it. It does a good job. It does top up my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and more recently my Google Pixel 10 Pro XL from around about 20% to 80% 5 times. So that 27,000 milliamp hour power bank rating that the marketing materials tell you about is probably accurate. The output of the USB Type-C port is the fastest. I've seen it go up to 18 watts using my 2-key tool, whereas the USB-A port gets maximum 14-15 watts out of it. That's using usually the recommended cable or the provided cable that comes with a smartphone. So in the case of Xiaomi devices or Honor devices, that they're orange lined cables. No issues with heat and overheating. I've used this device in temperatures ranging from -2-3 degrees in my pocket or in my bag, all the way up to 25 degrees. It's been a warm summer here in Scotland. So yeah, it's a winner. I can recommend it. Sadly, you won't be able to purchase this Paidashu power bank on Amazon UK. I'll link in the description to where it used to be. It seems to have been discontinued. So if you do find one for sale somewhere, let us know in the comment where you found it, because I can recommend it based on my usage of the one I purchased on Amazon. So yeah, thumbs up from me. If you can find one, especially at the price I purchased it at, around about £13, it's a steal, go for it. And thanks for watching if you made it this far into this video. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And if you have any questions you'd like to know more, leave us a comment. We'll do our best to get back to you. And again, if you made it this far into this video, thanks for watching. Bye from me.